Whenever someone describes yoga, which comes from a Sanskrit word yuj, meaning to unite, they might say that it's a union between your body, mind, and soul. But if I had to define yoga for myself, I would say it's an escape from this chaotic world that we have to go through every single day so that I can connect with myself. Yoga is that moment where I can just be me. Feel my body, my breath, no matter where I'm doing it, at my house, in nature, or at a studio. It just helps me create a world of my own. I get up in the morning at 4:30 to show my gratitude and pray to the Lord for the new day. And that's about it. It's how I usually start my day. As a full-time yoga instructor, I have my responsibilities set out for me. However, I do set aside some time for my own practice as well. This routine has been so ingrained into my life now that I almost feel guilty when I skip a day of practice. Get struck with this feeling that, oh, I did not practice today. So I feel like my day is not whole and complete unless I am on my mat practicing yoga. How can I meditate when I'm having a bunch of negative thoughts? Well, we can't really control our thoughts, can we? The one thing that this mind is good at is thinking. We get hundreds, if not thousands of thoughts in a day. And among all of these thoughts, finding that one point where you can just focus on being present is really important. The easiest way to do it, and which I think a lot of our gurus have already figured it out, and we just need to follow their path, is just to breathe. Breathe in, breathe out. And by doing this every day, you will not even realize that, oh God, I have already come to a place where I'm settled at being and feeling that calmness inside out. But these things don't happen in a day or two. It takes a lot of time. We went to Ghale's countryside farmstay in Singtam Gurung Basti, Darjeeling. The owner, Mr. Birendra Ghale, was kind enough to let us have the place for our yoga practice. The homestay was in the heart of nature, surrounded by trees, and it was such a breath of fresh air to be there, doing what I love.
मेरो नाम आसिफ मोहम्मद हो I'm from दार्जिलिङ छोटा कागझोडा योगा त गरेको छैन इट्स माई फर्स्ट टाइम इट्स योगा चाहिँ बेस्ट के लाग्छ नि ब्रिदिङको लागि पनि राम्रो अनि बडी पार्ट्सको लागि पनि बेस्ट जस्तो लाग्छ योगा
मेरो नाम चाहिँ सिमरन हो म चाहिँ सिलगढीबाट आएको हाम्रो पहिला स्कुलमा पनि गरेको थिएँ कि अनि त्यहाँबाट चाहिँ दिदीकोमा पनि मैले गरेँ नि त अन्त लामो चाहिँ मैले 3-4 महिना गरेँ
मेरो नाम चाहिँ रुबेन थापा म चाहिँ सिलगढीबाट योगा त पहिला कहिले गरेको छैन अनि लाइक अब एउटा एक्सपिरियन्सको लागि चाहिँ मात्रै आएको हुँ लाइक अब सुन्नु त प्रायः सुनेकै नै हो पहिला कहिले नगरेको अब एउटा चाहिँ हुन्छ बडी अब त्यो स्ट्रेच फ्लेक्सिबल त अब हुँदैन अब मेबी अब साह्रो पर्ला तर पनि एउटा ट्राई चाहिँ अब दिनुमा केही छैन
Hello everybody, good morning. I hope you all are doing healthy, fit and fine. Yeah? Okay, so first of all, let me introduce myself to you all. My name is Manpreet Kaur and I am a yoga instructor and a sound healer as well. Yoga is for everyone. You have to accept it wholeheartedly without any expectations. Whatever we do in our lives, we always keep expectations. And it's only natural that we do that. However, keep this one thing in your life, yoga, separate from your expectations and do not expect anything out of it. Most of us have this mentality that yoga is a set of exercises and fancy postures, and once you know how to do them, then you know how to do yoga. Yes, but no. Yoga is something that is not just done for the outer self. I mean, yes, the physicality is a part of it, but it is mainly to work on your inner self, and yoga does that.
सोचेको थिएन यतिलाई यतिको चाहिँ सक्छु भनेर, अब डाउट थियो अलिकति साह्रै पर्छ भनेर, तर पनि ट्राई गऱ्यो अन्त मजा पनि आयो। मान्छेले फिजिकली जब गर्छ त्यति बेला उहाँले बुझ्छ लाइक के रहेछ अन्त कसरी गर्नु पर्दो रहेछ, अनि बडीको लाइन पनि बहुत राम्रो कुरा रहेछ।
कति दिन बाद गरेर राम्रो लाग्यो, बडी पनि अझै खोलियो अन्त फ्रेस फिल भयो,
मजा आयो। अन्त त्यही बडी पेन पनि स्टार्ट हुँदैछ हल्का।
जब आपको पहली बार करके आपको बॉडी में पेन फील हुआ, आप क्यों रोक देते हो वहाँ पे? बॉडी को पहली बार आप एक झटका दे रहे हो काइंड ऑफ कि अच्छा ये है, तो उसको लेने में टाइम लगता है। एंड आई थिंक दिस इज़ वन थिंग विच आई ऑलवेज टेल टू माई स्टूडेंट्स कि अगर आप सोचते हो कि आपका कुछ अगर बॉडी में प्रॉब्लम है और आपने वो 1 महीने में 1 हफ्ते में ठीक हो जाएगा, तो नहीं होगा। देयर इज़ वन एग्जाम्पल दैट आई गिव कि आपने एक धागा लिया लंबा सा, उसको आप गांठ मारते रहो मारते रहो मारते रहो, तो क्या आप उस रस्सी को वापस पहले गांठ से खोल दोगे डायरेक्ट? नहीं ना, जहाँ पे लास्ट गांठ था वहाँ से खोलना पड़ेगा। मतलब ये जर्नी आपने इतने साल तक जो की है, वापस वहाँ से जाना पड़ेगा वो एंड तक, तो इट विल टेक टाइम। एक्सेप्ट दैट पेन बिकॉज दैट इज व्हाट इज ट्राइंग टू टेल यू कि इस पेन के बाद बहुत ही मीठा सा एहसास है। Yoga is a process. It takes time. Yoga is about understanding what your body is experiencing and being mindful of your movements. That's it.